Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, choose the correct option, justify your choice. 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is equal to what? And the options given is a as sec square a, b as minus 1, c as cot square a, and d as tan square a. So let's see what we are doing or how we are moving ahead and finding out our option. So it is being given that 1 plus tan square a 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square a is equal to what? And the given options are a is sec square a, b is minus 1, c is cot square a, and d is tan square a. So guys, let us solve this the above given equation or question, and let us find out which option best fits this one. Now here it is given that 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. Guys, I told you earlier also, whenever we get anything like this tan or cot, whatever it may be, let us convert these things in terms of sine and cos. So let us rewrite the above equation is, or that is equal to 1 plus. Guys, we very well know that tan theta is equal to what we know. We know that tan theta or tan a is equal to sine upon cos, sine a upon cos a. Similarly, cot a is equal to cos a upon sine a. Keeping these identities or these things in these ratios of trigonometry in our mind, let us move ahead and solve this. Here we have 1 plus tan square a. We know that tan a is equal to sine a upon cos a. So I can write tan square a is sine square a upon cos square a upon 1 plus cos square a upon sine square a. Because cot square a is nothing but cot a is nothing but cos a upon sine a. So that is what I converted cot square a is cos square a upon sine square a. Now let us further solve this one and let's see what we are getting. What we got? We got 1 plus sine square a upon cos square a upon 1 plus cos square a upon sine square a. Now let us solve this one. Or this is equal to, or this is equal to, taking cos square a as the LCM, I can write the given equation as cos square a plus sine square a upon cos square a divided by sine square here as the LCM plus cos square a upon sine square a. Guys, we very well know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us use this one. Sine square theta as cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us use that one. So I can write this one as 1 upon cos square a by 1 upon sine square a. Guys, just I converted cos square a plus sine square a is 1, because we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So after doing that, what I got? I got 1 upon cos square a divided by 1 upon sine square a. Or that is equal to, I can write 1 upon cos square a into sine square a upon 1. Just I moved the denominator part above by multiplying it. Or that is equal to, I can write sine square a by cos square a. Guys, as I told you, so tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So I can write that the above equation or the above equation that we got is tan square a, because sin square a upon cos square a is tan square a, as we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So I can write that one as tan square theta. So this is our answer, guys. If we solve the given equation or expression, we will get our answer as tan square theta. Now let us look into the question and the given options. You will see that we have tan square theta in our D. So option D is our correct answer. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process what I did here. This is very easy and very straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.